Have you wondered how can you have a shower outside? Well, if you have a swimming pool, you're gonna find this useful, or you don't even have to have a swimming pool. I'm gonna show in this video how to make a shower outside in the backyard with simple plumbing, with simple PVC piping. Stay tuned. So I tried connecting directly to the PVC with this metal connection. That didn't go very well. I mean, you can make it too tight, and if you just have some pressure behind the hose, what happens is it leaks. So I got this blue twister. What I had to do was apply some Teflon tape on it, and you could find this on Amazon. And then it fits well, it handles the pressure well, and it's plastic to plastic. It's perfect. So I didn't want to cut anything or make any changes, so I just bought this coupling to go with it. It's a 3/4 coupling, and then all I had to do was hand tighten it, and I left the way it had two handles to turn it, and that was easy. It was a breeze. I didn't have any issue. So that's my cold water side. And you know what, the hose just goes right in. I had to cut the hose, and I added two clamps, and I put the second one just in case, but I don't think you need two. One of those stainless steel clamp should be enough. I just put two. So the second one is my hot water side. I also have a hot water coming in. When I was doing the plumbing in the bathroom outside, so I just had a hot water sprout come out. So because of this outside shower that I was planning on making. I mean, if you don't have hot water, you don't need to make a hot water side. You could just have a cold water. Being that it's outside, it mixes with the temperature. The water is not extremely cold like it is inside. So you could have a shower with just cold water. You don't have to have hot water. But if you do have a hot water connection like I did, you could just put two of them like that, 1/2 inch to 3/4. So the coupling is 3/4, but the PVCs are 1/2 inch. You know, you could even have 3/4 pipe if you want. I just use 1/2 inch. It costs less. You know, so I did. I took a garden hose and I cut it off, as you saw, and just stainless steel clamp. That's it. I mean, I tested it. It was good, and I like the fact that I don't have to worry about water leaking out, because what you saw how I had it before, I wasn't too happy with it. The water would leak out and I couldn't make it too tight because plastic to brass doesn't go very well. I wanted to demonstrate to you what is this shower looks like. And I have a sprout on the bottom to pour out any water. For example, if you wanted to wash your hands or feet, this is perfect. And when you close this, your shower activates. That's it. It's very simple. Only 3 valves to control the water flow. See, water is running down. That's okay. And when you want to switch it to shower, you can. And you can also use both at the same time if you like, depending on the pressure of your house. So I find it useful. I find it great. I think it's a good time spent on this. Feel free to post the video if you wanted to, make exactly the one that I have. Like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, share with your family and friends. Thank you for watching.